Okay, good morning children. Now in last class children we have completed third lesson introduction part. Yes or no? We have seen the app activity, at the same time we have completed the page 24. Yes or no? Yes children. Now turn the page 25. Okay, in first page, okay, in page 24 what we have learned children here, one this is a adventure story, and after that in this story one boy is there. Yes or no? What is that boy name? Yes, Ranbir. What he likes to do, he never brushed his teeth properly, and he don't like to eat vegetables also. And what happened, one day while he was sleeping, suddenly he woke up and his teeth, okay, from one of his teeth one tooth fallen out, okay, which had been hurting for so many days. It fallen down, and what the Ranbir did, he woke up. Okay, he got up and he have taken that tooth into his hand, and he is looking at it. While he was looking like that, a fairy, a beautiful fairy with shiny wings, it came near to Ranbir's window, and the fairy is talking like this. Hello, I am Tooth Fairy. I have came to take your tooth. If you and I'll check it if you have taken care about it properly or not. Okay, నేను నీ టూత్ నువ్వు సరిగా టేక్ కేర్ చేసావా లేదా అని చూడడానికి వచ్చాను. ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టేకెన్ కేర్ అబౌట్ ఇట్ ప్రాపర్లీ మీన్స్ ఐ విల్ గిఫ్ట్ యూ ఏ న్యూ వన్. నేను నీకు ఒక న్యూ టూత్ని గిఫ్ట్గా ఇవ్వడానికి వచ్చాను, నువ్వు బాగా తీసుకో టేక్ కేర్ చేసినట్లయితే అని చెప్పిందనమాట. And after that what the fairy did, fairy took that Ranbir's tooth into her hand and she checked it. She looked into that tooth very clearly, but the tooth was very dirty, and that tooth fairy is telling like this, oh no, it was very dirty and I could see that you are not brushing your teeth properly. Okay, I should take you to the wizard of dentistry. Wizard means what children? The person with magical powers, and dentistry means the person who treats the diseases of teeth and gums. Okay, now what fairy told? Fairy wants to take the Ranbir to the wizard of dentistry. Till there we have discussed, right children? And after that what happened? Now what Ranbir did and where did this fairy taken this Ranbir, we will see now. Now everyone open studio page 25 children. Studio page 25. Okay, here I'll share the screen children and I'll read it. Please be quiet and take pencil and keep the finger there in page 25 first paragraph. Okay. Okay, now see in page 25 children first paragraph. Ranbir was scared. He knew he had not taken care of his teeth. The fairy waved her wand. A horse with wings magically appeared in the room. Okay, what happened children? Ranbir was scared. Scared means what? Chala bhayapadipoyadu. Why? Because he was scaring. Why means he know that already, he knew because he never brushed his teeth properly. So he knew that he did not take care of his teeth. The fairy waved her wand. I already told you. Wand means how it will be children? One stick, and the end of the stick there will be a star. So the fairy waved her wand. A horse with wings magically appeared in the room. What happened? A horse appeared. Suddenly, oka horse Ranbir room lo vachindannamata, and the horse having wings. Okay, a horse with wings magically appeared in the room children. Okay, like that a horse came there, and Ranbir and the fairy hopped onto the back of the magical horse and flew into the dark night. They reached a giant cave which had a golden door. Once again I am reading second paragraph. Ranbir and fairy hopped. Hopped means jumped. Okay, jumped on the back to the ఓకే ఆన్ టు ద బ్యాక్ ఆఫ్ ది మ్యాజికల్ హార్స్ మీదకి బ్యాక్ సైడ్కి ఎక్కారనమాట అండ్ ఫ్లూ ఇన్ టు ద డార్క్ నైట్. ఓకే వాళ్ళు ఏం చేశారు, ఫ్లూ మీన్స్ పాస్ట్ ఫామ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫ్లై, ఇంకా గాలిలో అలా ఎగురుకుంటూ వెళ్ళారనమాట. డార్క్ నైట్, ఇట్ వాస్ నైట్ నో మిడ్ నైట్, సో దే ఆర్ ఫ్లయింగ్ ఇన్ ద డార్క్ నైట్. దే రీచ్డ్ ఏ జైంట్ కేవ్. జైంట్ మీన్స్ వాట్ చిల్డ్రన్, వెరీ బిగ్. Okay, very big. And cave means what, we already seen in our first lesson, the king and the spider. There one cave is there, yes or no? Near the cave only the spider building a web, that one can be called as what children, cave. Okay, near the cave, okay, they have reached there and the cave has a golden door. Okay, what door children, usually what type of door we will have? Yes, we will have wooden door, yes or no, or glass door we will have. But here the cave is having what type of door, golden door. And next third paragraph, you may now enter the cave of dentistry, she said. They walked through the winding paths inside the dimly lit cave. ఓకే వాట్ ఫెయిరీ ఈస్ టెల్లింగ్, యు మే ఎంటర్ నౌ. ఓకే నువ్వు ఇప్పుడు ఆ కేవ్లోకి వెళ్ళొచ్చు. కేవ్ ఆఫ్ డెంటిస్ట్రీ. వాట్ ఈస్ ద నేమ్ ఆఫ్ ద కేవ్ చిల్డ్రన్, ద కేవ్ ఆఫ్ dentistry. They walked through the winding paths inside the dimly lit cave. That means ఆ లోపల ఏంటంటే డిమ్లీ, చాలా లైట్గా వెలుగుంది అంతే. ఓకే దే ఆర్ వాకింగ్ త్రూ దట్ cave. And after that, next in fourth paragraph, see, suddenly a magical cloud appeared before them. Okay, a loud voice came from the cloud, I am the wizard of dentistry. The cloud slowly turned into a tall old man dressed in green robes. He had a long thick bushy beard. Okay, what happened while they are walking into that cave? Okay, suddenly a magical cloud appeared. Sudden ga oka cloud means మేఘం, ఒక మ్యాజికల్ క్లౌడ్ అక్కడ వచ్చిందనమాట. అండ్ ఏ లౌడ్ వాయిస్ కేమ్ ఫ్రమ్ దట్ క్లౌడ్. ఆ క్లౌడ్ నుంచి ఏమొచ్చింది, ఏ లౌడ్ వాయిస్ కేమ్ ఫ్రమ్ దేర్. అండ్ వాట్ దట్ క్లౌడ్ ఈస్ టెల్లింగ్, ఐ ఆమ్ ద wizard of dentistry. Who I am? I am the wizard of dentistry. The cloud slowly turned into a tall old man. ఓకే క్లౌడ్స్ ఏమైపోయినాయి అంటే ఎలా మారిపోయాయి క్లౌడ్స్, ఒక పొడవైన ఒక పెద్ద ఆయనలాగా మారాయన్నమాట. అండ్ దట్ ఓల్డ్ మ్యాన్ డ్రెస్డ్ ఇన్ గ్రీన్ రోబ్స్. ఇన్ దట్ పిక్చర్ యూ కెన్ సీ చిల్డ్రన్. ఓకే దట్ ఓల్డ్ మ్యాన్, okay, wearing a dress with green robes. He had a long thicky bushy beard. What he is having children, he had a long thicky bushy beard అంటే చాలా పొడవైన థిక్గా బుషీగా ఉందన్నమాట బియర్డ్ మీన్స్ గెడ్డ. ఓకే he is having that one. And after that, see in next paragraph, the wizard asked Ranbir to sit on the dentist's chair. Okay, what wizard asked children, wizard was asking, okay, sit on the dentist chair. Okay Ranbir, sit on that chair. He looked carefully at Ranbir's teeth and said, they are in bad shape. What do you do, eat every day? Do you eat a lot of junk food? Okay, once again I am reading. The wizard asked Ranbir to sit on the dentist chair. Okay, ఎక్కడ కూర్చోమన్నారు, డెంటిస్ట్ చైర్ మీద కూర్చోమన్నారు. అండ్ హీ లుక్డ్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ అట్ రణబీర్స్ టీత్. ఓకే చైర్లో కూర్చోమన్న తర్వాత అండ్ విచార్డ్ ఈస్ టెస్టింగ్ ది రణబీర్స్ టీత్ అండ్ హీ ఈస్ టెల్లింగ్ లైక్ దట్. ఓకే విచార్డ్ ఈస్ టెల్లింగ్ లైక్ దిస్, they are in bad shape. Okay, they are not at all good, they are in bad shape. What do you eat every day? నువ్వేం తింటావు రోజు? Okay, what do you eat every day? Do you eat a lot of junk food? నువ్వు రోజు జంక్ ఫుడ్ తింటావా? What do you mean by junk food children? Junk means waste only. Okay, junk means unhealthy food. Junk food means the food you like most. Yes or no? I told you the French fries, noodles, biryani, Manchurian, chicken items. Okay, all these are the junk food. Okay, the Vichad is asking the Ranbir, do you eat more junk food? Now, this Ranbir is replying, I do, but I am trying to eat healthy food. Okay, what Ranbir is telling, నేను తింటాను జంక్ ఫుడ్ తింటాను, బట్ ఐఎమ్ ట్రయింగ్ టు ఈట్, నేను వాట్ హెల్దీ ఫుడ్ తినడానికి ట్రై చేస్తున్నాను. ఓకే, ఐఎమ్ ట్రయింగ్ టు ఈట్ లైక్ దాట్ Ranbir told to the Vichad. Okay, underline the hard words like this, children. And after that, now see, last paragraph. Let me share some tips with you to have healthy teeth and a healthy body. Milk and all foods made from it are important for your growth. Eating lots of vegetables and fruits help you stay healthy, say the Vichad. What Vichad is saying, children, okay, నేను నీకు కొన్ని టిప్స్ చెప్తాను, నువ్వు ఎలాగో ట్రై చేయాలి అని అనుకుంటున్నావు కదా, మనం హెల్దీ ఫుడ్ తినడం వల్ల యూజెస్ ఏంటి, ఓకే, ఎలా తినాలి అనేది నేను నీకు చెప్తాను అని హీ స్టార్టెడ్ లైక్ దిస్. ఓకే, ఈటింగ్ టు హ్యావ్ హెల్దీ టీత్ అండ్ ఏ హెల్దీ బాడీ. మనకి హెల్దీ టీత్ కావాలన్నా హెల్దీ బాడీ కావాలన్నా వాట్ వీ షుడ్ ఈట్ మిల్క్ అండ్ ఆల్ ఫుడ్స్ మేడ్ ఫ్రమ్ ఇట్ ఆర్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫర్ యువర్ గ్రోత్. ఓకే, హౌ మెనీ ఆఫ్ యూ డ్రింక్ మిల్క్, చిల్డ్రన్? మిల్క్ ఎంతమంది తాగుతారు? ఓకే, మిల్క్ అండ్ ఆల్ ద థింగ్స్ మేడ్ ఫ్రమ్ మిల్క్, దట్ మీన్స్ పన్నీర్ ఆర్ కర్డ్, yogurt, butter, okay, all this, okay, which are made from the milk are good for us, okay, for us to grow. Okay, if you are still small or if you are still very weak, then what helps you to grow, children? This milk. Okay, milk will help, and milk products also will help us to grow. And eating lots of vegetables and fruits, eating lots of what, children? Vegetables and fruits help you to stay healthy. ఎక్కువ వెజిటేబుల్స్ ఎక్కువ ఫ్రూట్స్ తింటే ఏమవుతామంట, మనం ఎప్పుడు సిక్నెస్ ఫాల్ అవ్వం. ఓకే, మనం ఎప్పుడు sickness రాదు మనకి. ఓకే, సమ్టైమ్స్ వైల్ దిస్ డిఫరెంట్ సీజన్స్ ఆర్ చేంజింగ్, we will may get cold or we will may get what fever, cough, like this we will get. If we are eating whole the year only vegetables and fruits, lots of vegetables if we eat means we will not get all this. Okay, we will be very healthy. Okay, underline the hard words in this last paragraph also, children. Okay, milk important, vegetables and fruits. Don't touch the screen. Okay, fruits. Okay, children, like that the Vichad is explaining the importance of eating the healthy food. Now turn the page 26. Okay, see in 26 first paragraph, the tooth fairy added some. The tooth fairy is also talking after the Vichad. Some people eat eggs too. Fish and chicken help you grow and also improve your vision. When you eat healthy food, you will be full of energy and can play, study, run, climb and skip well. Yes or no? What tooth fairy is telling, not only vegetables and fruits, but some people what they will eat? They will eat eggs and they will eat fish, chicken. By eating all these fish and chicken, what it will help? It will help us to grow and it will help our vision also. Okay, when we are eating healthy food, then we can get full of energy, full ga energy ga undachu, and we can play. Okay, we can study, we can run, we can climb and we can skip well also. Okay, yes or no? If we don't eat anything and if we are oftenly falling sick means what we will do? We just want to sleep all the time, or we just want to sit in a chair like grandfather all the time. Right, children? Vaishnavi, don't touch the screen. Like that we will do. But if we are okay, but if we are eating all this food, we can get so much of energy and we can be very healthy. Go plant this old tooth in a pot and see what happened, advise the Vichar. Okay, what Vichar told, ఈ toothని తీసుకెళ్ళి ఒక పాట్లో పాతిపెట్టు and let's see what happened. Ranbir woke up the next morning and find his tooth on his pillow. Now what happened, children? Now all this is a dream of Ranbir. This was not really happened, but this was a dream. How Ranbir dreamt like this. Okay, after next morning, Ranbir woke up in the morning and he found his tooth on the pillow. He thought, was my meeting with the tooth fairy and the wizard a dream? ఓకే, వాట్ రణబీర్ ఈస్ థింకింగ్, ఏంటి నేను ఫెయిరీని కలవడం, విచార్డ్ ఆఫ్ డెంటిస్ట్రీ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళడం అంతా ఒక డ్రీమా అని హీ ఈస్ ఆస్కింగ్, హీ ఈస్ హ్యావింగ్ ఎ క్వశ్చన్ on himself only. He carefully took the fallen tooth, ran to his mother and showed it to her. He asked her, "Ma, can I plant this tooth in a pot?" She agreed. Okay, what Ranbir did, children, Ranbir ఆ టూత్ని తీసుకుని వెళ్ళి వాళ్ళ అమ్మగారి దగ్గరికి and he was asking like this, "Ma, can I plant this tooth in a pot?" And mother also agreed with the Ranbir. And in the last paragraph, to his mother's surprise, Ranbir seemed a different boy from the day onwards. He was regular in brushing his teeth and in eating healthy food. Okay, what happened, children? The Ranbir, okay, he was surprising his mother also. By how? By doing by cleaning his teeth, okay, by brushing every day regularly and eating healthy food. Okay, the mother was very happy and she was surprising by looking at the Ranbir's behavior from on that day onwards. Okay, ఆ కళ వచ్చిన తర్వాత నుంచి మొత్తం Ranbir behavior was totally changed. Okay, like that we also should take care of our body, children. Our body means not only teeth. Okay, we should take care of our whole body, all parts. Okay, we should eat healthy food and we are the responsible for our growth also. ఓకే, మనం ఎదగడానికి, ఎనర్జీగా ఉండడానికి అన్నిటికీ ఎవరు రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ? వి ఓన్లీ. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? వి ఆర్ రెస్పాన్సిబుల్ టు టేక్ కేర్ ఆఫ్ అవర్ growth also. Okay, children, like this the story is.